Welcome again in this video, and just now one of my campaign is completed, and let me show you the date. You can see it's 9 a.m. September 2027 and 9:13 a.m. September 27, 2023. So let me walk you through. First, let me show you my ad creatives, and here you can see, and so yeah, lifetime budget $7, and this is ad creatives. Sorry, my personal ad account got disabled, so but yeah, this is what I have. So let me show you the results. So I got 180 likes within 1 week. This is 19, no, 20 to 27. So I got 180 likes, and this is the reach, and this is impression. So yeah, amount spent is $7. So let me delete this campaign. Let me show you my page. Yeah, I have 201 followers, 199 likes. So yeah, now let me show you how to add post to your page. So just go to all tools, page post, and I have to enter two-factor authentication code. So just wait, let me see. 577422. Now go to add post. Here you have all your, so this is our ad. You can see 119 likes. So I will just publish. Let me see the post. And here you have post just now. So yeah, this is for this video, and I will see you in the next video.